when you guys start working with a new client, where do we even begin to look for optimization opportunities?
Yeah. So there's definitely, based on our experience, we have specific areas on the website which are focal points. And normally what we try to do is find the closest area to a conversion. So in the case of an e-commerce, it would be your product details or add to cart environment. Those are the highest impact areas where you want to focus on. But to take a step back, where we actually start with our clients is that we need to understand where those friction points are in their environment. We'll typically start with a quantitative analytics platform like GA4, for example, where we can look at funnel analysis and we can find where drop-off points, and we do some crazy cool stuff on segmentation and understanding where those exactly are. Once we find those, then we use like a Lucky Orange type tool where we can actually understand why is that taking place. And that's the kind of like, where is the problem? Now we need to understand why it has occurred, and what is that actual problem that's occurred. Once you have that, then you can hypothesize like actually how you're going to solve it. But you need to actually understand like, what is the problem? You can't just optimize for the sake of optimizing. You need to be creating some sort of, there must be a problem that you must solve first. And then you need the data to back it up through a tool like you guys.
I think that why is the $1 million and maybe even $1 billion question for people is, how do I train this muscle, or how do I create a system that supports my ability to find why something is happening? And the system and process you described to say quantitative plus qualitative gets us a lot closer. I think that's the perfect use case and perfect way of looking at a tool like Lucky Orange, tool like GA4, that combination of data there.